Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 213. Those who heard his arguments the other day as to the difference between the meaning of the two phrases, hears, executors, administrators, and assigns, and hears, executors, administrators, or assigns, will not soon forget his knees. Full stop. He was equally brilliant lately when a notary public was sued in an action for negligence. Full stop. As he refuted the arguments of the learned counsel for the defendant, my learned friend must have felt overwhelmed. Full stop. In consequence of the death of his father, under whose will and testament he inherits considerable personal estate and real estate, he is not dependent upon his profession. Full stop. People are already speculating as to when he will be made a Queen's Counsel. Full stop. He has been nominated as a Justice of the Peace for Surrey, his father's county. Full stop. He is the prospective candidate for a very large constituency in the north of England, and he is in great demand as a political speaker. Full stop. There is no doubt that at the first opportunity he will be elected to represent the constituency in Parliament. Full stop. His intimate friends are hopeful that in due time he will fill the highest judicial position in the land, and they feel sure he would be an ornament to the office. Full stop.